2X W13009. Any model of 13009 can be used, just use 2 of the same models. Solder pin 1 to pin 1, pin 2 to pin 2, and same for pin 3. Use a 680 ohms resistor and solder to pin 1 and pin 2. Resistor color code, blue, gray, brown. Use a 1000 microfarad 16-volt capacitor and solder to pin 1. Use a Bluetooth player or a O cable. Solder positive cable to capacitor and negative to pin 3. Red wire is 5-volt DC and black wire positive input of speaker. Yellow wire is negative input of speaker and orange wire is amplifier output.
Check it out, man.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair. The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Thanks for watching. Peace.